So now let's start our analysis on our gold USD. You are new to this channel, click subscribe, like, share, and also comment if you have any question. I'll be watching out for it. Now let's take a look at our gold USD. We can see, if you are to notice one thing, is that we kind of have this correlation movement, a movement. If you see that once we are having a bullish move on our gold, we tend to see our USD index tend to go bearish, and once our USD index starts going bullish, then our gold start to go bearish. Exactly, if you watch it, once our gold is going bullish, then our USD is actually going bearish. Now let's take a look at our gold, by the way. Full trend on daily time frame, we can see it is actually on a bearish move. We are actually dropping. So this was once our support level area. You can see when our price was ranging here, this was once our support area, and this was once our resistance area here. Once our price was ranging here, it's actually this our support, and it's broke below it, right? What are we expecting after it breaks below it is that it will come back to test the area it broke out from. You can see it broke out of this our support level here, and now our price has come to test this our area it has broken out from. What are we after a test? We are expecting a huge massive drop again. At least we want to see that drop to this our lows where our price reversed from, which is around probably 1696. We want to see it. But before we actually get there, now we can see that we're actually on this period where we're having this rally move here. If you notice, when we're having this rally movement up on our gold, our USD index was actually rallying down. We can see this period when our USD index was actually pushing down, was actually dropping. Our gold was actually rising that time. Now see that our gold is now rallying down, and we can see that our USD index is now rallying up. So if you have to take a look at this our USD index, by the way, since we are trying to compare our gold to our USD, we would see that we are now on an uptrend move. We can see this impulse movement upward, a correction, an impulse move upward, now a correction. What are we expecting next? An impulse move upward again to take out this our liquidity. If you are to watch it here, this huge liquidity, this huge candle wick here where our price drop, which we are taking as our liquidity area, we would want our USD index to actually rally up again to that area, which means if our USD index is rallying up to that area, then our gold itself will now rally down to that area. So now that we add a drop here, we add a pullback here, we can watch it, see this two green candlestick here. We can see that once we're having this bullish move, we can see that our USD index actually pushed down. Once our USD index pushed down, that is when we saw this push up on our gold. Now we are expecting a rally movement upward on our USD index. That is to say that our gold to our USD will now start rallying down. So above all, watch out for it on our gold, a drop anytime soon when it starts open for trading. And we can also see this is actually a key level area here, whereby we add this pullback. This when our price was actually pushing up here, we saw this pullback here to this area, which is a key level, and now our price was rallying down, and we saw this pullback. It has hit this our key level. What are we expecting again? It's now a drop. So another confirmation that our gold to our USD would be dropping. So watch out for it and take your trade.